Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to write automation scripts, moving files around, building installers, hitting APIs, scheduling tasks, but you didn't want to dig into Python or Bash just to do it, then this video is for you. Today we're talking about DoScript. It's a scripting language designed to be readable, practical, and fast to write. You don't need to be a developer. If you can write a shopping list, you can write a DoScript script. We're going to cover everything, from your first hello world all the way to building a real installer that downloads software, adds it to your path, and creates desktop shortcuts. And we're doing it in 30 minutes, let's go. Section 1. What is DoScript? So what actually is DoScript? It's a scripting language that runs on top of Python. You run scripts with a simple command like python doscript.py/myscript.do. The .do extension is your script file, and the syntax is designed to read almost like plain English. Here's the idea: instead of writing this in Python to move a file, import shootil.move, report.pdf, documents/report.pdf. In DoScript you just write move report.pdf to documents, that's it. No imports. No boilerplate. Just intent, and that philosophy carries through everything: downloading files, looping through a folder, building an installer, calling a REST API. DoScript tries to make each of those things a one-liner. One more thing before we dive in: there's a really useful flag called dry run. You can append it to any script command and DoScript will tell you what it would do without actually doing it. So before you run something that moves or deletes files, you can preview it safely. That flag will save you at some point, I promise. Alright, let's start from the very beginning. Section 2, the basics, variables. Every variable in DoScript needs to be declared before you use it. You do that with global_variable, global_variable equals name, global_variable equals first name, last name, age. You can declare multiple on one line with commas. Then you assign them like you'd expect: name equals Alice, age equals 30, simple. Now here's the thing that trips up basically everyone when they first start, and I'm going to save you that headache right now. Single quotes versus double quotes, the number one rule. This is the most important thing in DoScript. Pay attention, double quotes are literal. They do not substitute variables, single quotes are interpolated. They replace var name with the value. Watch, global_variable equals name, name equals world, say, hello, name, #prints, hello, name, not what you want, say, hello, name, #prints, hello world, this is what you want. The rule of thumb is simple: if your string contains a variable, use single quotes. If it's pure fixed text, double quotes are fine. And good news, as of version 0.6.10, DoScript will actually print a hint if it detects you put a variable reference inside double quotes, so the silent failure is gone. Say and ask, say prints to the console, say starting script, say hello, name, say 42. Ask prompts the user and stores their answer. It also auto-declares the variable for you. No global_variable line needed. Ask answer, what is your name? Say, nice to meet you. Answer, built-in variables. DoScript has a handful of read-only variables that are always available. The most useful ones are today, now, year, month, day, and time for the Unix timestamp. You can use them anywhere. Say, today is, today, make file log_today.txt. These are great for naming backup files, log files, anything date stamped. Pause, wait, exit. 3 quick utility commands. Pause #wait for the user to press enter. Wait 2 #wait 2 seconds. Wait 0.5 #wait half a second. Exit #exit with code 0. Exit 1 #exit with an error code. And for logging, instead of just say log, process started, #info, process started, warn, disk is almost full, #warn, disk is almost full, error, file not found, #error, file not found. Use log, warn, and error for scripts that run unattended. They format the output in a way that's much easier to scan later. Here's a complete first script putting it all together. hashtag hello.do. Global underscore variable equals name, ask name, what is your name, say, hello, name, say, today is, today. Have a great day, pause. That's it, that's your first DoScript script. Control flow, if slash else underscore if slash else slash end underscore if, conditionals look like this, global underscore variable equals age equals 20, if age greater than or equal to 18, say, you are an adult, else, say, you are a minor, end underscore if, you get all the operators you'd expect, equals, plus and, or, and not for combining conditions. And as of version 0.6.9 you have else underscore if for clean condition chains. If score greater than or equal to 90, say, grade A, else underscore if score greater than or equal to 80, say, grade B, else underscore if score greater than or equal to 70, say, grade C, else, say, keep going, end underscore if, much cleaner than nesting a bunch of separate if blocks, loop runs a block a set number of times, or forever, loop 3, say, looping, end underscore loop. And here's a really nice feature added in version 0.6.9, the as keyword gives you the current iteration number. Loop 5 as I, say, step, I, end underscore loop, for infinite loops, loop forever as I, say, heartbeat hashtag I, wait 1, end underscore loop, repeat is a slightly simpler variant for when you just need something to run n times and don't need the iteration counter, repeat 5, say, hello, end underscore repeat, break and continue. Break exits the current loop immediately. Continue skips to the next iteration. These work inside loop, repeat, and for underscore each, global underscore variable equals I equals 0, loop forever, I equals I1, if I equals 5, break, end underscore if, say, I equals, I, end underscore loop, try slash catch slash end underscore try, error handling in DoScript is clean and explicit. You wrap risky operations in a try block and catch specific error types. Try, download, https://example.com/file.zip, to file.zip, catch network error, say, download failed, check your connection, end underscore try, error types include network error, file error, processor error, data error, or you can leave the type blank to catch anything. Always wrap network calls and file deletions in try/catch, it's the difference between a script that recovers gracefully and one that crashes halfway through. Section 4, File Operations, this is where DoScript really shines for everyday automation, make folder and make file, make folder output, make folder, today, underscore backup, make file, notes.txt, make file, notes.txt, with, hello, world, make file log underscore, today.txt, with, started, make folder is safe to call even if the folder already exists, it won't throw an error. As of version 0.6.10, Makefile also supports multi-line content with an end underscore file block, which is great for generating config files, global underscore variable equals app underscore name, port, app underscore name equals, my server, port equals 8080, makefile, config.ini, with, server, name equals, app underscore name, port equals, port, debug equals false, end underscore file, variables interpolate inside the block. That's really powerful for templating, copy, move, delete. Copy, source.txt, to backup/source.txt, move, report.pdf, to documents, delete, temp.txt, move also works as a rename, just give it a new file name instead of a folder, move, draft underscore v1.txt, to final.txt, and as of version 0.6.10 there's a dedicated rename command that's even cleaner for that use case, rename, draft underscore v1.txt to final.txt, rename file to processed underscore file, exists, before you delete something that might not be there, check first. If exists, config.json, say, config found, end underscore if exists, output, equals false, make folder, output, end underscore if, zip/unzip, zip my underscore folder, to my underscore folder.zip, unzip, archive.zip, to extracted, read underscore content, global underscore variable equals file text, read underscore content, notes.txt, into file text, save file text, practical example, backup a folder. Global underscore variable equals src, dest, src equals c:// projects / my app, dest